Alright, since my how to pee without splashing everywhere video was so popular, I figured I'd make one on how to poop without getting water splashing up on your butt. Alright, so here's my somewhat realistic poop recreation with some, I think it's like silly putty or clay. This like water doesn't really stick on it or anything. But anyways, so normally when you poop, what happens is this is pretty, like the size is pretty big. And what it happens is it all goes boop, and then it forms like a small jet stream that goes straight up. So I'm going to show you the water. I kind of already cleaned it and flushed it and stuff, so I'm not worried about grabbing into the toilet bowl. It's whatever. All right, so if you're going to be grossed out, you can be grossed out, but I'm just going to reach in and grab this thing back out to show it again. But anyway, so normally what happens is you drop your poop in there and it splashes up. All right, so the thing, I don't know if I can get a good picture of like a thing splashing up, but you can see like water will splash out. It can even splash out onto the toilet. So basically what happens is the shape of it and the weight causes it to like funnel the water down, and then the water collapses in on itself and it pushes up a jet stream. There's like videos showing this when stuff drops into the water. It might be easier to see if I make like a round ball shape. So let me see if I actually ball this up, and then I'm going to do it again. Okay, so let me show you here. I'm going to ball this up. Okay, and then if you drop it, now you can see, you see that water? It like splashes up, makes it a lot more obvious. Okay, so the way you fix this, it's actually very simple. Because you're already in the bathroom, you have toilet paper on hand. Basically what you're going to do, you're going to want to lay a flat layer of toilet paper on top of the surface of the water. That way when this plops in, it'll break the surface of the paper, and the paper will drag and pull itself down with it, preventing the water from shooting back up. So again, we'll drop this in. Let me see if I can get it to do like a splash. I might have to do a slow motion of this just to show the water like shoot up. So I'll probably do that, stitch it in, and then I'll show you that. And then the way you would fix it, again, I'll show you with a piece of paper. So, okay, so you see that water come up. So I'm gonna now do slow motion, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'm gonna probably also zoom in a bit so you can see a little bit better. As you can see, the ball hits the water, and the little droplets go shooting out of the toilet. Like they go way past the toilet bowl. Pretty crazy. As you can see in this example, it hits the edge where the water is very shallow. So if the toilet bowl has like a spot where there isn't much water, you can just aim for that, and then you'll be okay as well. And here's the type of poop we all dread, where it creates a perfect like laser of water right into your butt. Ah, my butt! And there you have it. 3 different type of scenarios. I mean, there's obviously more, but yeah. Alright, so as you saw, the water like goes and then it shoots up. So again, all you gotta do, take some toilet paper. Okay, let me grab some here. And you just lay it across. If you want, you can put some like two, however big the bowl is. But you just lay it across so the toilet paper will be all wet. That's okay. And then when you go to poop, I don't know if it will be seen in camera, but I'm going to even hold this way higher. Drop it in. Here you go. Oh, that wasn't enough. So it broke the thing and still splashed through. So we're going to have to put more paper this time. So let me flush to restart it, and I'll be back. Oh, I should have just recorded. Alright, there you go. We're going to flush it. So this time I'm going to get like 4 pieces. Also, it depends how your poop goes, because obviously if your poop is like not super like, this is too dense. It's probably more dense than normal poop. But anyways, you want to make a layer to where the paper will not easily just break through. And also I dropped it from really high up. Usually you're not going to poop like that. So we'll let the water refill, and then we'll drop this in again. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright, so let's get the paper on top again. So same thing, now I just put 2. Okay, and now if we drop it, so this is like your butt height, but normally when you poop, it'll be like going down. It's not just going to drop from straight up here, so it'll have less energy dropping it down. But anyways, you see this, and we'll drop it, and you can see it stopped the thing from just plopping straight into the water. And that's how you prevent the water from flying up onto your butt. If you're in a public toilet, they do have those sheets that you line the toilet seat with. Those are even stronger. The poop won't go through that. So if you want, you can even just put one of those in the toilet on top. But yeah, make sure you don't put too much paper at once because you don't want to clog the toilet doing this. So yeah, maybe two sheets, and then after you poop, you'll probably want to flush and then wipe your butt and then flush. Because if you wipe with all this paper in, throw a bunch more paper in from your poop, you're probably going to clog your toilet. So yeah, just think about how much stuff you're actually putting in there and whether it can flush it down. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Ah, my butt! 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 Ah, my butt!
Hurry up and get out of the bathroom already.